let's learn how you can fix verification required problem on your App Store. So the first thing you want to try is to restart your iPhone device. Now if it doesn't work, what you can do is go to settings, go to your iCloud and sign out. Now I won't do that, but you want to sign out and log in again. Now if it still doesn't work, what you want to do is to update and check your payment method. Now you can add new payment method without removing old one. And what else you can do is to check if you have any unwanted subscriptions on your iCloud and card, because that may cause problems to your App Store and verification. If it still doesn't work, you can just contact Apple support and ask them for help. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.